Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's carnival season here in NOLA, so right now I'm making this checkered bucket hat. I'm using 3 colors instead of 2, and I want to show you how to flawlessly change or transition in between colors. Okay, just adjusting my yarn here. Working with half double crochet stitches. I am at the last stitch for the color purple. And we'll be transitioning into the yellow. Picking up the purple, we're going to yarn over, insert your hook, and working over those 2 strands, you're going to pull up a loop. You should have 3 loops on your hook. And instead of pulling through with the purple, you're going to pull through with the yellow now to complete the half double crochet stitch. Okay, so yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, 2, 3, and just pull the purple one to tighten the bottom of that stitch a bit. Yep. And working into the first stitch of the yellow, you're going to insert your hook. Pull up a loop. Pull through all 3. And done. Look at that. Look at that color change. Don't you just love it? So I'm going to work across the row until I reach the next color so I can show you guys how to do it again. Y'all like this music, by the way? You know, I don't know how many people ever visit here, but, you know, you should definitely come if you haven't been. Okay, so we're coming up on that last stitch. Okay, and now we're back at the last stitch to transition into the next color. Yarn over, insert your hook. You should have 3 loops on the hook. And instead of closing off with the yellow, we're going to pull through all 3 loops with the green yarn now. Come on. 3. And done. You know, look at that. Look. Can't even tell. I get so excited every time. Alright, right into that first green stitch there. Pull through all 3. And then just pull your yarn to tighten it down a bit. And move across this row. All the way to the purple. And if you find that you can see your yarn a little bit through the stitches, don't pull too much, but you can easily just like pull the strands that are under there to like kind of tighten it, you know, so it can like hide it better and stuff. you'll see it if you decide to do it. You'll know what I'm talking about. Okay, so here we are coming up on the last stitch for green again. Purple, pull through all the loops, and you're going to work straight into that first stitch of the previous row purple with a half double crochet, yarn over, pull through all three. Yeah, and that's how it goes. For our color change, as you can see, it's flawless, and those are those stitches I told you about. You just pull a yarn and you won't be able to see the colors. But that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You know, I'll be doing more videos, and yeah, see you soon.